In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to wrap text in WPS Office Mobile. This feature is extremely useful when you want your documents to look professional and visually appealing, especially when combining images and text. Wrapping text allows your text to flow neatly around images, making your layout clean and easy to read. In this tutorial, I will guide you through the process step by step so that you can confidently apply text wrapping on your mobile device. To begin, open your document in WPS Office Mobile where you have inserted an image. Locate the image that you want to wrap text around. To make changes, tap on the image to select it. When the image is selected, you will see various options appear, allowing you to modify its placement and behavior within your text. Next, look for the Wrap option in the toolbar that appears once your image is selected. Tap on Wrap to open the text wrapping settings. You will see several wrapping styles, but for this example, we will use the Square option. Tap Square, and this will enable the text to wrap around all sides of the image in a square pattern. Once the square wrapping is applied, you can move the image anywhere in your document. Notice how the text automatically adjusts and flows around the image. This ensures that your content maintains a neat and organized appearance without leaving awkward gaps or overlapping sections. You can experiment with the image's position to see how the text responds, allowing you to create a layout that is visually balanced and appealing. Using the text wrapping feature in WPS Office Mobile is particularly helpful for creating reports, newsletters, or any document where images and text need to coexist seamlessly. It enhances readability while keeping your design professional and clean. Adjusting the image position with the text wrap gives you full control over how your document looks, making it easy to highlight important visuals while maintaining smooth text flow. That's all you need to do to wrap text around an image in WPS Office Mobile. By following these simple steps, you can ensure that your documents are well-structured and visually engaging. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.